Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, in notes, in the browser, actually wherever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And basically this is how it looks like. First of all, we have to find the language options. So let's tap on this plus icon here and tap on this little keyboard icon. As you can see, we've been transferred to kind of keyboard types. Here we've got only English, and you've got the QWERTY, AZERTY, and so on and so on. So you've got kind of keyboard modes. And in order to add the language, we have to tap on this kind of globe icon with plus icon. So let's tap on it. Here we've got the list of our languages. As I said, we've got only English, so we can pick something from all languages or pre-installed languages. Of course, by picking something from all languages, you will have to kind of download it, but let me pick pre-installed languages. And here, basically just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it, and I will pick maybe Greek. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to those languages. So now we can go back. Let's go back and let's tap on the place where you can type. So just open the keyboard, and as you can see, we've got English here, but no worries, we can change it to the new language. So currently I'm typing English, but on the spacebar we can do kind of a swipe motion, which will allow us to change the language, the keyboard. So right now I'm typing Greek, right? What's more, of course, if it will be possible, because it depends, you will be able to change the keyboard mode for the Greek also, but as you can see, it is not available here. And basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And if you want to remove it, then you have to enter the same list. So let's tap on this keyboard icon and tap on the globe icon here, and as you can see, as I said, here we've got our languages. So first of all, you can only kind of disable the language, but it will be still on this list just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, if you want to remove it totally, just a long press to delete. Tap on delete, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So it will be useful if you really want to use only one or two different only one language, not like 2 or 3 different ones. Yeah, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.